I should have listened to Gary Vee and Mark Cuban. Why oh why did I not freaking listen to them about a year ago? I was literally scrolling down my timeline and I saw Mark Cuban in his house talking about NFTs and how it would be the next best thing and how heavily he is invested into it. Man, I thought to myself, this is Mark Cuban and I know he knows his stuff because he invests into companies and ideas that he knows has full potential in society and is a billionaire off it. Mark Cuban is someone you want to listen to and I didn't know, and now I'm here telling the world that I did not listen to Mark Cuban and Gary Vee.
You big cold-blooded dummy.
And I should have. I learned about NFTs from Mark Cuban, then I started to see Gary Vee chat more about it around the same time. They were the only two influencers at that time I saw on social media that were raving about this. I would see headlines like NFT is the next best thing for the internet, NFT is the future, Mark Cuban is getting big on NFTs. And then boom, 8 months later, Facebook comes out with this headline news about them changing their name to Meta and going into the 3D spaces for users to interact and learn. And now my entire Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube feed is about metaverse NFTs. Wow, I'm woke. And now I can't sleep trying to catch up with what has transpired in the last 10 months of work in this space that has already been done. And just like that, the world has taken a curveball and I didn't catch it quick enough. But it's not entirely too late, but I need to hurry. So why do I regret not listening to these men at the same time? Let me go over why and why I'm listening now. But first, if you're in the same boat like me, hopefully this channel can help you learn more while I'm learning, as this is a new space that will grow huge in the next coming months, years, and so forth. So I regret listening to Gary Vee and Mark Cuban because of the impact that NFTs has had in the last 10 months already. It didn't dawn on me how important NFTs will play a huge role until I started to experience the metaverse online and how I can talk with others virtually, buy land virtually, create my own 3D universe, and make money from doing it. I started to see how the metaverse and NFTs will change the entire society as we go into doing everything virtually. I thought NFTs were cool, but I just didn't think it was something that I would be interested in, only for those who were into digital artwork and those that usually sell Pokemon cards, just digital. Boy oh boy was I wrong. This is
evolutionary.
And I'm pretty excited for it. I'm more excited about the metaverse and the blockchain technology evolution, but NFTs will play a huge part in the space. So what is an NFT? An NFT is a non-fungible token, which basically means that it's unique and it can't be replaced with something else. A good example that helped me understand is a dollar. If you and I have a dollar, we can swap dollars and it doesn't matter. Neither of us lose. They are equal, whereas the non-fungible token, they are both unique, meaning if we both have an NFT, mine could be a basketball card and yours could be your birth certificate. Obviously, we cannot exchange those two equally, therefore making our tokens non-fungible. NFTs are selling for millions of dollars and people are buying into them, and it's becoming a level of status to have certain NFTs. This is pretty cool and I'm excited to see where it goes and how many successful people can come from this. This is literally wealth and innovation being redesigned and developed right in front of us. And you should not be a fool to not know that you should be a part of it. So with that being said, I hope that you don't regret listening to this video like I regretted listening to Gary Vee and Mark Cuban. And hopefully you can subscribe, like, and comment and get into the NFT space with me. I'll have several videos about NFTs, metaverse, crypto, and so much more. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.